Hey loves, welcome back. I'm Naturally Curla, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I'm starting on already wet hair, and I'm using my spray bottle from Curly Girl Vibes. I just want to show you real quick what happened to me. I was taking out my faux locks, and I didn't know that section was not crocheted in, and I ended up cutting my hair. Anyway, I'm going to take the Lottabody Style Me Setting Lotion, and I'm adding it in with water. You don't need to add water to it, but I do that anyway because I like a more fluffier look, and the water kind of water down the product. I'm using the Main Choice, from the Main Choice Boost Me kit is their oil, and I'll leave everything I use in the description box below. I just like how that oil feels. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my swoop, and I'm using Cream of Nature Styling Snot to set my swoop. Now you don't have to do it this way. I just like wearing my hair in a swoop now, so this is why I'm doing this. It might look a little bit weird how I'm using these rods because I'm not really parting and I'm not being precise on these. There is a method to my madness, and that is I am very, very lazy. I do not care for a straight part. I do not care about a lot of that stuff. Maybe for you it's a big deal, but for me it's not. I'm going to achieve the style I want to achieve regardless. And the reason why I'm using those pins, because towards the back where I showed you where I cut my hair, those little pins are to hold down my shorter hair from sticking out too much and laying, because I don't have nothing on top of it to kind of lay it down if I was to use magnetic rollers. But I don't really care. I'm very, very lazy, if you notice, and I have extremely bright lights in my face, and the camera is behind me, so that's why I'm trying to look at the mirror to at least be able to roll my hair. Now the reason why I'm using the Hourglass rollers is because the grooves allow me to have a sleeker curl, because I couldn't find my brush, and I normally like to use my brush to get a smoother kind of layer to wrap my hair around the rod, because when I'm using my comb it feels like I'm using a Denman brush and it just brings out my curl pattern more, so I always like to use a brush. But with these rollers, the grooves allow me to have a more sleeker curl. It's like I'm having an extra comb through the roller, as well as they do reduce drying time for me. Normally, because I've been having to bleach my hair and lighten my hair has been hanging on to moisture and taking a lot longer to dry. And with these rollers, they do allow drying time to be reduced. And the next day, as you can see, because I slept in these, I don't want to use heat, my hair was completely dry, which I was absolutely ecstatic. Now I'm just going to use my favorite hair serum. It's the I can't remember it right now. I'll put it in the description box below, but I always use that hair serum and I believe it's Fantastic hair polisher, something like that, but it's my favorite hair serum. I always use it, and I'm just going to clean up my swoop, and then I'm going to separate my curls, and I'm just taking a little bit more of the Cream of Nature Snot, and I'm just layering my hair down because I slept a little wild and my scarf came off, so my swoop didn't lay as nice as I wanted it to. And I'm just going to go ahead and unravel, then fluff and pick my hair for volume. And the serum does help reduce frizz, as you can see on the roots, because I didn't do these in smaller sections. I did them in big because I wanted the curls to be a little bit more bigger at the top for more volume, because at the top my hair always falls flat, and because I have a missing patch as well. I want that like a mini fro. I want my hair to be able to cover it. So again, like I'm saying, there is a method to my madness when I do things. It's just I always just do things for my liking. You don't have to do things exactly the way I do it. Whatever works for you works for you. Now we're getting to the picking part, and I'm just going to let you know, I'm going to show you how the back looks, because a lot of you always ask me, can you show the back? Can you show the back? But let me be honest with you, somebody has to be sacrificed. When you have fine hair and you're picking your hair for volume, somebody has to be sacrificed, and the back is just what's sacrificed. You know, nobody, when they first see you, they don't see the back of your head. Now when they walk past and look at your back, whatever they say, whatever, squirrel, who cares? But in the moment when they first see you, they think, oh my God, your hair is laid, look at those curls. Now the back, they're like, oh my God, girl, she just She just slept all on the back. No, you didn't sleep on the back. You picked that crap out because you wanted that volume. And that's just what it is. Somebody has to be sacrificed. No way around it. And you can see a little bit of the red is still there from me trying to strip my hair color. I'm hoping to be able to go purple by next month. But anyway, that's all. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.